stupid.
My cat just killed a bird, sadly, and we are gonna have a funeral for the bird.
Yep.
Here's the bird. Clearly dead because of
Here's
him.
the cat.
So we are going to go make a box and have a funeral for this bird, and we'll update you guys when we're back.
Here's the box where the bird will be going into for our funeral, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done.
So this is our box. That's pretty much it. But now it's time for the bird funeral. Got some gloves for safety, just in case it has rabies.
Will you hold
Time
this open?
for the bird.
Oh, it fell off.
Oh.
Okay, I don't know, like, ew, oh.
Oh, its head.
Oh, I don't know how to begin.
Joking. Aw, poor bird.
Aw.
It's
Okay,
nice.
so the bird lived a good life.
Yeah.
It ate plenty of worms. What?
Well, I'm gonna say a few words, and even though I'm sorry my cat killed you, but even though I didn't know you very well, I think you lived a good life. And I'm very sad that you died, but we made you a pretty little funeral thingy.
A funeral box.
A funeral box, yes.
So, I don't know what to say. Okay, wait. I need to edit this part out because I need to fix my hair. So now that we've said some words, we're gonna go bury it.
Yep.
Where are we going? The beach?
The beach.
The beach.
Well, the lake.
Okay.
So we will show you guys when we are at the beach. The lake, beach, whatever. Gets to be buried in such a beautiful place.
like,
So we're digging a hole now for the bird. All right.
oh, this poor bird. I feel like I'm smushing it. I don't know how to like.
Okay. There we go. Now we just gotta cover it. All right, now it's time to cover this poor bird. Oh. And there it goes. Not a very smart choice to wear in the sand.
I didn't think
All
about
right, so
it.
we are walking back to my house now.
There's another bird.
Okay, so we were walking back to my house and we found another dead bird on the ground. I swear we're not killing them. This is not us doing it. But now we have to do another one.
Do we bury it with the other bird?
No.
This is such a tiny bird.
Aww.
Oh, it's so small. So. Okay, no. Okay. So, get this hair out of my mouth.
Okay.
Okay. So we decided to bury it in a different place. We're putting it under a tree.
Nice tree right here. Beautiful.
There's people. Aww. Its eyes are open. That's kind of creepy.
Okay.
Right there.
Yep.
And
Now,
then, should I put this on it? And I'll just have me putting it. Oh.
all right. So we're walking back now. We're hoping to not see another dead bird on the ground. Okay, so we got back to my house, and we didn't see any more dead birds on the way, but rest in peace to all the dead birds we found.